Hey guys, I'm so glad you're here at Painted By. Today we're going to paint this cute, darling little koala. And it's going to be simple. We're going to teach you every step of the way. You ready? Let's talk about our supplies, okay? We have our pencil and eraser, paintbrush, a thin marker. You're welcome to use like a pen or a marker. My watercolor paper, paint, my jar of water, and my paper towel. That's all we need today. First, let's grab our pencil. And I marked just the center of my page just to help me draw my koala around it. All right, so first we're gonna do its little chubby face. And its big fluffy ears. Koalas are really fluffy, guys, so no straight lines. No straight lines allowed. All right, let's do the body. All right, now I'm going to take my eraser and I am going to erase over the top of my drawing, but only lightly because I still want to see the pencil, but only slightly. I don't want it to poke through the paint. Okay, just like that. All right, I am going to grab black, but very, very watered down black, which means black paint with lots of water. And I am going to paint the entire koala quickly because I want it to stay wet so I can drop in darker colors of the gray. Kind of do little dash marks around the ears to show the fur. Now around the neck, I'm not going to touch the line of where the head is. Some places I am and some I'm not, just to distinguish the body from the head. All right, see, I'm not trying to be perfect. I'm trying to work quickly. A little bit of messy adds character and charm to your painting. Okay, while it's wet, I'm gonna grab some darker gray and I'm gonna drop it in a couple places where I just want some more shading, okay? Just like that. Center of the ears, maybe around the cheeks, the bottom of the feet. Now I'm going to take my paper towel before my koala is dry. I'm going to bunch it up and I am going to dab it right in the middle to show a highlight on the koala's belly. Just like that. I'm going to grab a little bit more black. Just do the ears again. While it's still wet, you can also pick up color with your brush by drying off your brush and then just kind of picking it up where you didn't want it to go. The arms again. Cute. That was so simple, right? Okay, before we do the details, the face, a little bit of drawing work, I want this to be completely dry. So you can take a blow dryer and dry it. You can just step aside and let it dry, or you can grab a thick piece of paper, which is what I usually do, and I just fan it for a minute or two. Okay, mine's dry. How's yours? So we're gonna grab our pen, marker, thin marker, whatever you wanna use, and we're gonna outline some of the koala. If you look at my first example, I did not outline everywhere. I just gave the impression of an outline. This is the style I went for, and I'm gonna go for it again, but you're welcome to do whatever you wanna do. Light hand. Continue to show that there's fur, so no straight lines. Okay, now for the arms, I'm just gonna give the impression that there are little arms there. Some fingers, just like that. All right, the nose, it's kind of like an oval shape. I'm gonna leave a little bit of a mark opening to show a reflection. And then I'm gonna color this in, not perfectly, just like so. And my eyes are gonna be small, but your eyes can be whatever size you want them to be. Last step, I'm gonna do a little shadow underneath my koala. Just a light gray again, the same one we've been using. Just messy, okay? Does not have to be perfect. All right, here's my koala. She's so cute. Now, nobody would know who this was painted by if I did not sign it. So I'm gonna sign it down in the corner, just like this. Cute. How does yours look? I hope it looks different. Look at my first one and then my second one. They're different, and that's how they're supposed to be because each one is going to have your own style and take on it. Guys, thanks for painting with me today. Help me to continue making these tutorials by subscribing to the channel. Thanks. Bye.